How smart are you? Let's see if you can answer these 100 general knowledge questions everyone should know. Keep track of your score and tell me at the end how many you got right. Let's get started. How many countries share a land border with Mexico? The answer is B, 3. What is a color called when white is added to it? It's A, a tint. Which zodiac sign is symbolized by a crab? It's A, Cancer. What color is a giraffe's tongue typically described as? B, purple. In which winter sport would you perform tricks like a stale fish or a mule kick? The answer is C, snowboarding. What is the sum of the interior angles of a hexagon? It's C, 720. What is the capital city of the United Arab Emirates? It's B, Abu Dhabi. Which artist painted the famous artwork, The Starry Night? It was B, Vincent van Gogh. Which chemical element is diamond made entirely of? That would be A, carbon. The words patio, plaza, and macho were borrowed into English from which language? It comes from A, Spanish. In scientific terms, what does the word sinistral describe in a person? It means C, they are left-handed. What is the proper name of the star commonly known as the North Star? It's C, Polaris. Thalassophobia is the fear of what? It's the fear of B, the ocean or deep water. An ectotherm is an animal commonly described as what type of blooded animal? C, cold-blooded. Which zodiac sign comes immediately before Aquarius in the zodiac calendar? That would be C, Capricorn. What breed of dog is Scooby-Doo in the animated series? A, a Great Dane. Which famous trio is known for the motto, all for one and one for all? It's B, the Three Musketeers. Which disease was the first to be successfully prevented by a vaccine? It was A, smallpox. What is the name of the deepest known part of the world's oceans? It's A, the Mariana Trench. Glaucoma primarily affects which part of the body? It affects B, the eyes. After Arabic, which language is one of the most widely spoken in Africa overall? It's A, Swahili. Which scientist is widely known as the father of modern physics? It's C, Albert Einstein. What color is the bottom stripe on the national flag of India? The answer is A, green. Which hormone is produced by the pancreas to help regulate blood sugar levels? C, insulin. In the animated series SpongeBob SquarePants, who is SpongeBob's best friend? It's B, Patrick Star. Which planet is the farthest from the sun in our solar system? That would be C, Neptune. Which famous landmark is nicknamed the Iron Lady? B, the Eiffel Tower. In boxing, a southpaw stance is typically used by fighters who are what? A, left-handed. A thresher is a type of what animal? It's C, shark. In many Christian countries, what is the festive season immediately before Lent called? It's called B, Carnival. What is the scientific study of the motion of projectiles called? It's C, ballistics. On average, how much does human scalp hair grow in 1 year? A, about 6 inches. What architectural style is Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris best known for? The answer is B, Gothic. Proteins are made up of smaller units called what? Called B, amino acids. What is the chemical symbol for plutonium on the periodic table? It's C, Pu. Which artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? It was B, Michelangelo. What is the name of the tricolored domestic cat that is almost always female? B, Calico. Charon is the largest moon of which planet? It's C, Pluto. In time notation, what does PM stand for? It stands for C, postmeridium. Which musical instrument typically has 88 keys? That's right, C, a piano. If someone is 6 feet 2 inches tall, how tall are they in inches? They would be B, 74 inches. Which subatomic particle in an atom carries a negative charge? It's C, electron. Which type of pottery is made from fine white clay and is often translucent when thin? It's B, porcelain. In mathematics, what symbol is also known as an obelisk? The answer is B, the division sign. What is the thick, dark syrup that is a byproduct of sugar production called? It's A, molasses. Which gas is the fourth most abundant in Earth's atmosphere by volume? It's C, carbon dioxide. What is the anatomical term umbilicus more commonly known as? A, navel or a belly button. What is the capital city of Switzerland? The answer is C, Bern. What is the scientific study of weather and the atmosphere called? It's called A, meteorology. How many U.S. fluid ounces are in 1 U.S. gallon? A, 128. Which molecule in Earth's atmosphere absorbs most UV radiation? It's B, the ozone. Which three-dimensional shape has exactly one edge? The answer is C, a cone. Petrichor is the name given to the smell produced after what event? A, rainfall. What is the probability of rolling a 6 on a 6-sided die? It's A, 16.67%. Who was the first emperor of ancient Rome? It was C, Augustus. Aphasia is a condition that results in the loss of what ability? C, language. Which planet in our solar system has the shortest orbital period around the Sun? The answer is A, Mercury. If a person has heterochromia, what do they have? They have C, 2 different colored eyes. In what year did the Hindenburg disaster occur? That happened in B, 1937. Angel Falls, the world's tallest waterfall, is located in which country? It's in A, Venezuela. Reed Flute Cave is a famous natural attraction located in which country? In C, China. In Greek mythology, what creature has the upper body of a human and the lower body of a horse? It's C, a centaur. A hygrometer is used to measure what? It's used to measure B, humidity. Mount Kelimutu is located in which country? It's located in B, Indonesia. Which YouTube channel was the first to reach 100 million subscribers? That was A, T-Series. In Greek mythology, Hypnos is the god of what? C, the god of sleep. Who is credited with the accidental discovery of penicillin? The answer is A, Alexander Fleming. Which animal was historically used to carry written messages over long distances? B, a pigeon. Traditional mozzarella cheese is made from the milk of which animal? It's A, a buffalo. Which spice is obtained by scraping the inner bark of a tree? The answer is B, cinnamon. Hanging Rock, a famous natural formation, is located in which country? B, Australia. What is the textile finishing process used to give new denim a worn, faded look called? It's A, stonewashing. Which famous classical composer continued to compose music despite being deaf? It was C, Beethoven. The folktale Hansel and Gretel originated in which country? In A, Germany. On the pH scale, what value is considered neutral? The answer is B, 7. An apiarist is a person who keeps which type of animal? C, bees. In standard pool, what color is the number 2 ball? It's A, blue. Which bird is unable to move its eyeballs and must turn its head to look around? That would be A, an owl. What color is the first belt typically awarded to a beginner in karate? The answer is A, the white belt. Which American company released the first commercially successful video game Pong in 1972? It was C, Atari. What is the name of the calendar system most widely used in Western countries today? It's B, Gregorian. What type of animal has an exoskeleton instead of bones? That would be C, invertebrate. Acrophobia is the fear of what? A, the fear of heights. Hepatitis is a disease that primarily affects which organ? C, the liver. What is a scrying crystal commonly known as? It's A, a crystal ball. Which Italian scientist improved the telescope in 1609? It was B, Galileo Galilei. Toronto is the capital city of which Canadian province? A, Ontario. What is a word called that reads the same forward and backward? It's called A palindrome. What is the name of the five-pointed star symbol often associated with protection in occult traditions? It's B, a pentagram. What type of alcohol is the primary spirit in a Manhattan cocktail? It's A, whiskey. Which fruit is known for its strong, unpleasant smell and spiky outer shell? The answer is B, a durian. According to the Scottish play superstition, which word must not be spoken inside a theater? It's B, Macbeth. Which component of blood is primarily responsible for clotting? It's A, platelets. Which art form uses metal oxides to color molten glass? It's B, stained glass. An ocelot is what type of animal? It's B, a wildcat. What is the term for the amount of moisture present in the air? The answer is A, humidity. What is the scientific term for the skull? It's C, cranium. Aviophobia is the fear of what? It's C, the fear of flying. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? That would be a barometer. Which subatomic particle carries a positive electrical charge? It's C, a proton. Let me know in the comments how many of these 100 questions you got correct, and if you had fun, please click the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for playing.